Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I don't know what the title of this video is going to be, so I can't say from the title of this video you know what's going to happen. My knees are ashy. Anyways, today's video, I don't know the name for today's video. I know what I want the video to be, I know how I want the video to be. I don't know what to call it. So as of this time that I'm shooting this video, I don't even know what this video is going to be called. But what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys what I will be doing today. I guess today's a Saturday, I think the 8th of January, and it's currently like 10 something in the morning. I found myself gravitating towards more silent videos, more calming videos. I don't know if you guys, for the people that follow me on Instagram, I posted a reel of a rainy day. It was like a rainy day vlog kind of thing, and it was very quiet. It was very calming, very soothing. I really liked the whole vibe, and I also got like the inspiration from other YouTubers and TikTokers, and I'm like, you know what, I think I want to try something like that. So for today, I will be cleaning my room, I'll be working out, I will be cooking, and that will probably sum up the video. It will be like a quiet video kind of thing, and at the end I want you guys to let me know if you do enjoy videos like this, because I feel like I like these kind of videos, and my channel, aside from being about hair, will probably like, I will have more videos on quiet videos, I guess, silence vlogs and stuff. And I also want to film more sit down videos this year, so I will be putting out a question tag or questionnaire thing on my Instagram, and excuse me, you guys can send me your questions there. So without further ado, we are going to work out. guys, so I'm home. The grocery store run was quite useless because there was literally nothing at the store because of the snowstorm. Yeah, this video was supposed to end with me cooking, but I think I'll just end it here. Let me know in the comment section if you guys like silence videos like this, because I would actually like to film more videos like that. So if you watched to this side of the video, I want to say a big thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.